What's up everybody, getting right here. So recently Huawei had a mega summer office launch event where Huawei revealed tons of new products including software and hardware and more. Even Huawei revealed the hardware operating system 3.0, which we will surely discuss in the next video. But the thing is that Huawei hasn't revealed any details regarding the upcoming Huawei Mate 50 Pro in any of its event. But as we are getting closer to the launch date, more and more leaks are popping up. So today a live image has been leaked on Vivo showing a device that has a glossy reflection on the display and a wide notch on the head. Well, this live image is coming from a well-known Vivo tipster and is alleged to be called the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Yes, this might be our first live look of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, but I'm using the word might here only because I'm not 100% certain that is the M850 Pro, because it looks a lot like Huawei's Mate 20 Pro with a little bit of editing. But yeah, it is possible that this is the real look too, because looking more into the matter, the alleged Mate 50 Pro live image has a big notch including an earpiece, which wasn't available in the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Also, the notch is real white and consists of different sensors. The other thing to note is that the display has large curves on left and right side of the display. On the right side though, it has the red power button along with a power key, which you can say is the key component of every Mate series. Again, the device looks absolutely the same as the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I cannot confirm whether it could be the Mate 50 Pro. However, the shape of the phone is very important. But there is a flip side of the story, as another tipster has come up with the Huawei Mate 50 Pro protector gloss image with a large earpiece hole, confirming the same front design for this upcoming flagship. So now these two are one of the biggest revolutions so far. Right now Huawei hasn't confirmed any details of this smartphone at the moment, but surely this could be our first look of the Huawei's Mate 50 Pro. So with that said, on this matter, the tech community has quite been active and previously suggests that Huawei is ready to compromise the aesthetic of the Mate 50 series with the new features packed short down. This directly hints that Huawei is likely to bring the new Mate 50 series with a new front-facing ID and new set of functionalities. So let's see what Huawei will bring at the end. And yeah, we also have a screen protector of the regular Mate 50 Pro, which will eliminate the notch for the single punch hole camera, which also looks quite decent. So yeah, what do you think about this real look of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.